Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Vibe, your go-to channel for everything two wheels and adrenaline. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our latest motorcycle reviews, rides, and updates from the world of bikes. Today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic American machines on the road, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. This bike has always been about raw power, bold attitude, and that unmistakable Harley soul. So let's find out what makes the 2025 version stand out and if it's worth your hard-earned cash. The 2025 Low Rider S continues Harley's legacy of blending muscle with precision. It's powered by the Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, a beast that pumps out 103 horsepower and 125 pound-feet of torque. That's serious muscle packed into a stripped-down, performance-oriented cruiser. The engine delivers instant throttle response, and you can feel the deep, throaty growl that only a Harley can make. It's not just power, it's character. Harley has worked to fine-tune the performance for smoother acceleration, improved throttle mapping, and a more responsive ride. One of the most impressive things about the Low Rider S is how it balances power and control. The bike comes with a lightweight softtail chassis that gives it incredible handling, especially when carving through corners or cruising down long highways. The inverted front forks, dual-disc brakes with ABS, and premium rear monoshock setup make sure the ride feels planted and stable even at high speeds. Whether you're pushing through twisty mountain roads or just rolling through city streets, this bike gives you the confidence that it can handle whatever you throw at it. The 2025 model doesn't go overboard with visual changes, but Harley fans will notice the subtle upgrades. It features a darker, more aggressive look, staying true to the S-line styling. You get that iconic West Coast club-style stance, tall bars, mid-mount controls, and a slightly forward-leaning riding position that screams attitude. The new paint options for 2025 include a stunning vivid black, red rock, and billiard gray, each giving the bike a unique presence. Harley has also improved the finish quality, with better detailing on the engine cases, tank badging, and wheels. The overall aesthetic is both modern and timeless, a perfect mix for riders who want performance without losing the classic Harley feel. Comfort-wise, the Low Rider S is surprisingly friendly for long rides. The solo seat is sculpted to keep you locked in, but it's also cushioned enough for extended cruising. The mid-controls provide a natural leg position, while the handlebars keep your arms at a comfortable reach. It's a setup that lets you ride hard without feeling worn out. The instrument cluster sits neatly on the handlebar riser, giving you easy access to all the vital information like speed, RPM, fuel level, and trip data. Technology on the Low Rider S remains focused but modern. Harley keeps things simple. No massive screens or flashy gimmicks here. You get LED lighting, keyless ignition, and the essential ride safety tech like traction control and ABS. Harley's goal here isn't to overload you with features but to keep the riding experience raw and engaging, the way real riders like it. However, you can always customize it with Harley's accessory lineup, like the Screamin' Eagle performance upgrades, exhaust systems, and comfort options. When it comes to performance, this bike truly shines. The Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine pulls strong in every gear, and the torque delivery feels endless. The 6-speed transmission shifts with that solid Harley feel, firm and mechanical, but smooth when you want it to be. The exhaust note is pure music, deep and thunderous without being overwhelming. On highways, it stays stable and comfortable, while in the city, it feels nimble enough to navigate traffic. The suspension does a good job absorbing bumps, and the braking setup gives plenty of stopping confidence. It's the kind of ride that reminds you why Harley-Davidson is still at the top of the game when it comes to cruiser performance. Now let's talk numbers. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S starts at around $18,199 in the United States. That's the base price, and of course, with custom options or upgraded finishes, you could easily be looking at over $20,000. For what you're getting, a big V-twin engine, classic Harley build quality, and serious performance, it's a price that makes sense for riders who want more than just a motorcycle. You're buying a lifestyle, a piece of American muscle that turns heads wherever you go. Fuel economy sits around 47 miles per gallon combined, which is pretty reasonable for a bike this powerful. The 5-gallon fuel tank means you'll get good range before needing a refill. Maintenance costs are similar to other Harley models, but thanks to the proven Milwaukee-Eight engine, reliability isn't something you'll worry about much. In terms of competition, the LowRiderS faces off with bikes like the Indian Chief Dark Horse, the Triumph Rocket 3R, and even the Ducati Diavel V4. But what sets the Harley apart is its personality. The rumble, the torque, the styling, it all screams Harley. There's something visceral about riding it, something that feels raw and real, and that's not something every brand can replicate. So who is this bike for? The 2025 LowRiderS is perfect for riders who want performance and power wrapped in a timeless, aggressive design. It's for those who appreciate the Harley culture but also want modern handling and responsiveness. Whether you're an experienced rider or someone upgrading from a smaller cruiser, the LowRiderS gives you a thrilling ride without losing its authenticity. Overall, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S is a near-perfect blend of tradition and evolution. It's loud, it's powerful, it's unapologetic, and it's built to make you feel something every time you twist the throttle. Harley hasn't reinvented the wheel here, but they've refined it just enough to make the Low Rider S one of the most exciting cruisers on the road today. Alright folks, that's all for today's review of the 2025 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. What do you think about this bike? Is it the ultimate blend of muscle and style, or do you think Harley should push the innovation even further? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, I'd love to hear what you think. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your riding buddies, and subscribe to Bike Vibe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews, ride experiences, and news from the world of bikes. Thanks for watching Bike Vibe, where passion meets performance. Ride safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.